Good morning, friends. A hearty welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself, Professor M.H. Annaya. In this video, we are going to work out a problem on the projection of a straight line. Let's see what is the question in store for today's video. The question reads like this. A line AB has its end A on HP and the end B is on VP at a distance of so on. So they have given DEP is equal to 40. DEP means distance between end projectors is 40 mm. The top view is parallel to front view. Draw its projections. Let's first of all write down the projections of the ends A and B and let's see how to proceed. Friends, I mark a line XY and on this I show VP and HP. So VP and HP shown like this represents the first angle projection. Friends, here the line is AB. They have not given the length of the line or the inclination made by the line, etc. But only it is given. The end A, let me write down. The end A, if you take, this is on HP and at a distance from VP, which you do not know. And similarly, friends, for the end B, it is on VP and they are also given at what distance it is. I think it is at a distance of 60 millimeters. This line is XY and this is how you get. This is B dash, the front view, and this is B. This is A dash, the front view of the end A. Let's see how to take up this onto this HB and VP line. Friends, let us mark a thin line and mark on that the point A dash because the end A is on HP. So whenever the end is on HP, irrespective of its distance from the VP, it is always, its front view is always seen on XY. So friends, somewhere on this line we should have what is called A, the top view of the line. Let's see how to get it later on. Friends, now they have given in the question DEP is equal to 40 mm. What is DEP? DEP means distance between end projectors. What are these end projectors then? The line connecting the top view and front view of a given line is called an end projector. So there will be two end projector, one passing through the end A dash and A, other through B dash and B. The distance between them is always measured parallel to XY and they have clearly given what is DEP here. Friends, this DEP given is will be shown here and say it has got a length of how much? 40 mm, which I have shown as DEP. So this is the distance. Friends, I will call it as DEP. So here you got A dash. A you should get somewhere here as I told before. The end B is on VP. Whenever the point is on VP, its front view is seen above the XY line and top view is seen on XY. Whatever may be the distance of that point from the HP, but it is specified in the problem and B is on VP and at a distance of how much? That is 60 mm. So I will mark this point B dash, the front view of the end B of the line AB, and this is at a distance of how much? 60 millimeter. That is specified in the question. And friends, you use this data. A is on HP, B is on VP, and the top view is parallel to VP. Before you go to the top view, you should have the front view. So front view is the line joining A dash and A dash and B dash. Sorry, you have A dash, you have B dash. If you join these two lines, you get A dash, B dash. That becomes the front view of the line. And friends, as you see here, you have utilized all the data given in the question. Now you will have to find out where is B, where is A dash, etc. Friends, in the question it says the top view is parallel to front view. So we have got this front view and we know very well the point B is here, the top view of the end, and through this point I am going to draw a line parallel to this. So this line or this line drawn here is parallel to that. Friends, the point you get here is A. A represents the top view of the end A, B represents the top view of the end B, and these two lines are parallel. They have given. And now, friends, we have the front view, we have the top view, and let's see what all asked in this question. They say true length of the line. The first part is how to find out the true length of the line. And friends, in all my so many videos of mine, you have seen how to obtain the true length of the line, its inclination, etc. whenever we are given with the front view and top view. So friends, sorry, we have A dash, B dash, the front view, and this is the top view. Now, keeping A dash as center, taking A dash, B dash length as radius, I am going to draw an arc. I will repeat, taking A dash as center, length A dash, B dash as radius, I strike an arc so as to see that this arc meets the locus of B at the point B1. Friends, you have A, you have B1. The line joining A and B1 is the true length of the line. So friends, I will just join that to this here, and this is we have as the true length of the line. So I have joined here, and this is the true length of the line ABTL. So I will say here this TL is equal to A dash B1 dash is equal to AB1. That is how we represent the true length in the front view and top view. Friends, we have got this AB1, the true length of the line, and the same lines, you know very well that the true length remains same both above the XY line and below the XY line. I have this length now, friends. Taking A dash as center, this true length as the radius, I am going to strike an arc and join that with this A dash, and this is going to be the point B1 dash. Remember, B dash and B1 dash, they lie on the same horizontal line which is parallel to XY. Again, friend, this is the true length. That is to say, we have obtained the true length of the line. I hope you are following. Then, friends, the second part of the question is that find theta and phi. What is theta and what is phi? Friends, it is a convention followed that theta represents the inclination of the true length of the line in the front view. Here, this is the true length of the line, and whatever the line angle it is making here, this is theta that can be measured. Keep a protractor and measure what the angle is. Likewise, friends, phi. What is phi? Phi is the angle made by the true length line with the VP. So you can just draw a horizontal line from here. You can draw this and find out what is the angle this is making. This angle is phi, or this angle is also phi. So you can measure what is phi, the angle made by the line with the VP. So we have completed the first and second part of the question. And let's move on to the third part. It says measure length of front view and top view. Is asking you what is the length of this front view, what is the length of this top view. Friends, you can just keep a scale between A dash and B dash and find out the length. And similarly, you can find the distance between A and B. So this, you know very well, this A dash B dash is the front view, that is equal to AB, that is the top view, because this line A dash B dash is parallel to this, or this line is parallel to this, and hence they will have the same value of measurement, the total length of those front view and top view. Distance of A from VP. Distance of B from HP is this distance that is given in the question as how much? This is 60 mm. So this they have given already, and we need to find out what is the distance of the end A. So mark here from VP. Any distance from VP is marked below the XY line. Any distance from HP or above HP is marked above the XY line. Friends, you can just keep a square between A dash and A and find out what is this distance. That will give you the distance of A, distance of A from VP. So it's a beautiful question, friends. So we're able to get the solutions for this complete problem. Friends, I hope the presentation was interesting. Please don't forget to go through the complete video. And if you are happy with the presentation I have made on this particular problem on projection of lines, do pass on this information and share with all your friends. And friends, I thank you very much for watching my YouTube video. Have a blessed day.